Hi friends, let me show you this ceiling fan that I received with lights for reviewing purposes. It is a nice piece of decoration for your home. As you can see, it's a simple but modern style. It's white with this like glass finish. It's plastic but looks like glass in the edges, okay? You have this light and the ceiling fan, okay? The ceiling fan is great because it changes direction. In summer, you can have the air coming down to refresh the area. And in winter, you can reverse it so the air will go up and help with the heating, okay? You get all the accessories you need to install it here. Installation is ready, friends. Let me show you. This is the remote, okay? First, we are going to turn on the light. You can see how bright it is. You can change the temperature if you want some kind of night light, like that. Or you can have full intensity. Look how, and you have other light modes. You can change intensity one by one, okay? And also the color or temperature, warmer, cooler, or warmer, okay? Night light again, and remember it has a fan, okay? So the fan has 6 speeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. You can have the fan going forward or reverse, like for summer or winter. And there it is. And you can have it working 1 hour or 2 hours and then shut off. Also, you can have the fan on, but not the light, or the other way around, okay? So I think it's a really nice lamp. Looks modern, looks elegant, and it gives a great light and a nice cool breeze. So if you're looking for a lamp for your living room, your office, whatever you want a lamp, this is a great option.